Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we are talking all about the sound that A and I together make, the A sound. Now, I've put an N next door to the AI, so it makes AIN, AIN. Can you think of some words that end in AIN? All right, you are going to be getting a template that looks like this. Put a tr in front of ain, you get train. So you're going to put your tra, and then you're going to try to print it yourself. Put a r in front of ain, you get rain. Can you try to print it yourself? Put a p in front of ain, you get pain. Try to print it yourself. Put a what's the sound? G, g, g in front of ain. You get k, gain. All right. So for today, you're going to practice printing and adding the beginning sounds to the ain ending. Ain, train. Okay. Ra. And then you're going to practice printing yourself. Ain. Beautiful. And you're going to keep going till they are all finished. I'm wondering, do you have room to maybe make a picture of a train or some rain? I don't know. If you do, that would be fun to do even on the back. I like trains too. Have you ever been on a train? In the rain? Hope you weren't in pain. Miss Hake is silly. I'll see you soon.